Ekanisa yegi Adventista ya New Life yegotoka ime y'umucobo songo nigo babete bagotwara umuyega bwokwego kyo gusuyo manyikanite buna Funny Day abwa basubati yokorekanete asegeti Yesu Kisii University ya Kisii no muroberio abange babete bakogokera na hotelona nigo ogokonya asokoreta obwa mateboro bya egati yabo na gokonya ase okurwania amangana au gusamarwaire au ase emebere yabo muri ketonde mo Stephen Norbotyuro.
Buna enchera yogo sirana abasubati be kanisa ya Kisii New Life SDA nigo batwaro gusanga kwabo kwa bene gwetera chigosori asegeti ya Kisii University. Kibago sanga na Ndizi TV nigo baenekia buna oyo ngati yemeroberi yabo yenga kigo cia seyende erengete ko bakonya kwegendereria.
We are in the women ministry. We come out for social Sundays to unwind, to refresh our minds, and to talk about our wellness. You know, as ladies, we have so much to carry in our backs. We have so much responsibilities, and it's good once in a while we come out here, we socialize, we play like little kids, and then we unwind and we start the week afresh.
We've come out here to socialize, to feed spiritually, to bond as a team of women ministry, to encourage one another, to have fun.
Ase chinga kechi abantu abwate mechando akyabongo ne chinga kichinko ngucho bogima chigosori nemeroberi bune yeiga nigo yakeirwe koko asogo kyana ni mechande yuo na gokonya emebere ko babuya.
Of late, as we know, we have quite a number of diseases, that is lifestyle diseases, which come about due to not exercising. So once a while we come out so that we can exercise and of course put at bay the sicknesses. At the same time, we get to have a nice time out here, have fun, make jokes, run and play all kinds of games.
So tutari exercise so korea less squeeze megongo te otokolema so kolu nyomba kwa endega so kala at the end of the day megongo ya kuruma mubere tori kwegubuya ubwate stress yo mutu so kala to gochaiga in fact it's fit for our bodies to do such an exercise for today.
Ogo segeta kwa bangi na banasa abantu kwebwatania ne kanisa bunenchera yoko yagacha kemoika.
Kisii New Life Church is an SDA church and it nurtures ladies of all ages, and that's why we are all here. We are of all ages, from the little girls to the big mamas who are coreras. And so we invite our ladies out there to come to Kisii New Life Church. That's where we will get fellowship, we'll get to know God, and we'll get to socialize. Come out here, play, dance, and refresh and start a new week.
Alafu ne kanisa ngoto konyere go bond kumanyana na kumanya ko ikaransamo na korengere ringi torakora buna bangina erinde tokonya bangina banda abalisko narwanyare kumanya sai na litwanyara kumanya ngangu bwate shida na litwanyara gutalirana twakonyana buna bangina. So it's something we can encourage other women to do, because at the end of the day we are going to sweat and be fresh at the end of the day.
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV kurwa segeti ya Kisii University elietaliane Ndemo Stephen Captain 001.